kitchen. Today I'm going to show you something that I posted on Instagram maybe like a week and a half or so. It's the edamame pasta with homemade pesto sauce. A lot of vegetarian lovers were like, I need to get my hands on it, and how do you make it? So I had asked you guys if you wanted me to make a video, and today I'm going to make it and show you guys. So if you want to see how I make this recipe, please continue to watch, and as always, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you'll be alerted for upcoming videos that I'll be posting every single week. Now let's get cooking in the kitchen. For the pesto sauce, add 1 big bunch of parsley. I use Italian parsley, but you could definitely use curled parsley too. Then add 1 cup of olive oil to start off with, 2 peeled garlic cloves, 1/4 cups of pine nuts, and salt. As you blend the ingredients, add a little olive oil or water until you've reached a smooth consistency. Next, you'll need to boil a pot of water filled halfway. Once you've reached the boiling point, drizzle olive oil and season the water with salt. The olive oil is used to ensure the pasta doesn't stick, and the salt is used to give the pasta some flavor while cooking. Once you added the edamame pasta, simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes, and I like mine al dente, so just check it throughout. It doesn't need too long to cook. After you drain the pasta and rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking, add the pesto sauce into the same pot and simmer on medium-low heat. After about 5 minutes of cooking the pesto sauce, add a handful of grape tomatoes sliced in half. Next, you'll add roughly chopped artichokes that I bought in a jar, sun-dried tomatoes, black pepper, red pepper flakes, and capers to give it a saltier taste. If you're not a fan of capers, feel free to leave those out. Give all the ingredients a really good mix before adding the pasta back in the pot. Final touch to this dish is to add roughly chopped Italian parsley. Well, there you have it. There's my edamame pasta with homemade pesto sauce. I absolutely enjoyed it, and I hope you do too. If you want to stay tuned for more videos to come, again, please support my channel by subscribing and hitting that notification bell, as well as commenting on if you added anything else. Well, I will see you next time in Clarissa's kitchen. Bye, guys.